In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Vantage app. First, start by visiting the official Vantage app page on the Vantage Markets website. This is the safest and most direct place to begin, and it ensures you're heading to the correct download. Once you're on that page, you'll see clear options to download for iOS or for Android. Choose the link that matches your device. Selecting the iOS option will take you to the Apple App Store, and selecting the Android option will take you to Google Play. From there, simply follow the on-screen prompts to install. The downloads are available on both major mobile platforms, so whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, you're covered. The app is free to download and free to use, so you shouldn't see any charge for getting it onto your device. Before you tap install, take a moment to confirm you're on the official store listing. This is important to avoid fake or malicious apps. Check that the developer name matches Vantage, the app icon and branding look professional and consistent, and the listing has genuine reviews and a proper description. Always use the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Don't download the app from third-party websites or unofficial links. When you hit Get on iOS or Install on Android, your device may ask for confirmation through your usual method, such as your device password or biometric approval. That's normal. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Wi-Fi is best for a smooth download, and that you have enough storage space. If your device pauses the download, resume it once your connection is steady or free up a little space and try again. Once the store begins the installation, just wait for it to complete. On most devices, you'll see the progress on the app icon. When the installation finishes, the app will appear on your home screen or in your app drawer, ready to open. To recap, go to the official Vantage app page on the Vantage Markets website, choose the iOS or Android link that matches your device, and then follow the App Store or Google Play instructions to install. Remember, the app is free, it's officially available for both platforms, and it's crucial to verify you're downloading the authentic Vantage app from the official store listing. That's it. Quick, straightforward, and secure. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.